Hi, and welcome to this video on how to reduce belly fat. Belly fat can be frustrating, but the good news is that with the right strategies, it can be reduced. In this video, we'll be discussing tips and tricks for a flatter belly. Diet. Let's start with diet. Eating a healthy diet is crucial for reducing belly fat. Focus on eating foods that are high in fiber, lean protein, whole grains, and healthy fats. These foods will help keep you full and reduce cravings for unhealthy foods. Avoid processed foods, sugary drinks, and refined carbohydrates. These can contribute to an increase in belly fat. Physical activity. Next, let's talk about physical activity. Regular exercise can help you burn calories and reduce belly fat. Aim to engage in cardiovascular exercise, strength training, and yoga. These types of exercises will help tone your muscles and burn fat. Remember to be consistent with your exercise routine and to challenge yourself as you progress. Stress reduction. Reducing stress is another important factor in reducing belly fat. Stress can lead to an increase in the hormone cortisol, which can contribute to belly fat. Find ways to reduce stress, such as through meditation, yoga, or exercise. Sleep. Getting enough sleep is also essential for reducing belly fat. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Lack of sleep can disrupt the hormones that regulate appetite, leading to an increase in belly fat. Sugary drinks. Finally, limit your intake of sugary drinks. These include soda, juice, and sports drinks. Instead, opt for water, unsweetened tea, or sugar-free drinks. In conclusion, reducing belly fat takes time and effort. By following a healthy diet, engaging in physical activity, reducing stress, getting enough sleep, and avoiding sugary drinks, you can help reduce belly fat and achieve a flatter stomach. Remember to be patient and consistent with your efforts, and consult a healthcare professional before starting any new diet or exercise program. For more information on the tips and tricks discussed in this video, be sure to check out the description below. We've included additional resources and links to help you on your journey to reduce belly fat. And as always, feel free to leave any comments or questions, and we'll do our best to respond to you. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more health and wellness tips.